During lockdown, I've been getting out and enjoying nature a lot more. And it's been great seeing all the wildlife. But there's one thing that's been bothering me. There's a stream running next to my path, but it's bright orange. What's going on here? Is it natural, or is someone dumping toxic chemicals into it? Well, what's making it this colour? You know what? I'm going to grab a sample and take it back to the lab. The first thing I think of when I see orange in water is rust. Rust is a mixture of iron oxides and oxyhydroxides, which are formed when iron reacts with oxygen and water. To test the theory that our stream contains iron, I'm dissolving some potassium thiocyanate in water, and when I add it to a solution containing iron, we should get an intense blood red colour. Wow, that really is red. So there's definitely iron in here. But where did it come from? Bingo! In nature, iron exists as a mineral called iron pyrite, which is a compound of iron and sulphur. Iron pyrite reacts slowly with water and oxygen to produce sulfuric acid and iron hydroxide. This can happen naturally when water seeps through cracks in the rock containing iron pyrite. Now it's relatively rare, but when it does happen, it's called acid rock drainage. And despite its scary name, it isn't harmful, because it's usually made in small volumes, which are diluted when they join bigger streams. In fact, this stream provides a habitat for a very specialised organism called pyrophilic bacteria, which eats the iron in the stream. And this is what makes the stream such a bright orange. But there are also unnatural red rivers caused by acid mine drainage, and here at the National Coal Mining Museum we have massive treatment ponds filled with the stuff. When we start digging underground, be it for coal or for gold, we create massive heaps of waste rock and massive holes in the ground. This suddenly exposes iron pyrite to water and oxygen, making it react faster, producing large volumes of acid. This much acid mine drainage doesn't dilute as much in our rivers, meaning they run red for miles. And as it's poisonous to both us and the environment, it can leave our rivers lifeless, except for that iron-loving bacteria. Fortunately, in the UK, it's the job of the Environment Agency to keep our rivers running clean. One of the ways they do this is by using nature. Behind me is a constructed wetland, which uses bog-loving plants like reeds to filter out the iron and the acid before they reach the streams. And across 2 reed beds and 7 settling ponds, they've successfully reduced the iron content of this water from 20 milligrams per litre to 3 milligrams per litre. If you want to learn more about how we clean our water, why not grab yourself a bottle, take the bottom off, put a hole in the top, and then fill it with different stuff like sand, gravel, sponge or moss. And try pouring some dirty water through and see how it cleans it. You could even try adding oil, soap or food colouring to the water to see which is the hardest to remove.